back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A51. First, make sure that the phone is powered off. Locate the power button and the volume up. Press and hold both keys. Once the phone comes on, remove your finger off of the power button. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see this screen, scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset, Factory Data Reset. Reboot system now, and once the phone comes on, it will be back to the activation screen. All you have to do is just skip all the way to the home screen. If you forgot your Gmail or you don't know your Gmail, you will not be able to get to the home screen. But if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.